10 foods to eat to get rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks are a common condition wherein skin becomes disfigured. This does not have any detrimental health effects, but it could become a source of insecurity and have a deep psychological impact. Combating stretch marks isn't limited to in-clinic dermatological treatments. Diets and nutrition can play a big role. Here are the 5 most important nutrients for skin health, each with 2 great examples in order to show you a total of 10 foods to eat to get rid of stretch marks. A. Omega-3. According to a study published by Clinics in Dermatology in 2010, omega-3 fatty acids are effective in treating many skin conditions and are essential in skin rejuvenation. This makes it effective in combating the appearance of stretch marks. Foods that are high in omega-3 include: number 1, flax seeds. Just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds will already give you 147% of the recommended dose of omega-3 fatty acids per day. Flax seeds are also a great source of magnesium, phosphorus, copper, thiamine, and manganese. Number 2, chia seeds. As little as 1 tablespoon of dry chia seeds will already give you 115% of the recommended dietary allowance for omega-3. Chia seeds are also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and manganese. B. Lysine. Lysine is an amino acid which is essential for tissue repair. According to a study published by Essays in Biochemistry in 2012, one of its most notable functions is to help produce collagen in the body. Collagen is generally considered to be the body's main structural protein, making it essential for skin rejuvenation as well as stretch mark elimination. Foods that are high in lysine include: 1. Roast beef. A 3-ounce serving of roast beef is enough to give you 145% of your daily lysine needs. Beef is also a good source of protein, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, and zinc. 2. Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese will give you as much as 90% of your daily lysine needs. Parmesan cheese is also a great source of protein and calcium. C. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a common ingredient in skincare products, but its effects aren't limited to topical applications. Eating foods that are high in vitamin E also helps rejuvenate the skin from within. That makes it an essential nutrient for getting rid of stretch marks. Foods that are high in vitamin E include: 1. Sunflower seeds. A 1/4 cup of dry roasted sunflower seeds is enough to give you 60% of your daily vitamin E requirements. Sunflower seeds are also a great source of pantothenic acid, phosphorus, copper, manganese, and selenium. 2. Almonds. Very similar to sunflower seeds, a 1/4 cup serving of almonds will give you 59% of your daily vitamin E needs. Almonds are also a great source of magnesium and manganese. D. Lutein. Lutein is a naturally occurring carotenoid, which works to protect the skin from oxidative damage. This is supported by the results of a study published by the British Journal of Dermatology in 2017. Oxidative damage is what causes the skin to be dry and wrinkled. Protecting against it will help promote supple, healthy, and stretch mark-free skin. There are currently no daily dietary recommendations for this, but foods that are high in lutein are: 1. Kale. A cup of cooked kale will give you 23,719.8 micrograms of lutein plus zeaxanthin. This is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. 2. Green peas. Half a cup of green peas will give you 2,074.4 micrograms of lutein plus zeaxanthin. It is also a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. E. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential to proper skin cell production. It stimulates cells to develop healthy tissue and keep skin firm, consequently being effective in combating stretch marks. This is supported by a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2016. Foods that are high in vitamin A include: 1. Sweet potato. Just 100 grams of cooked sweet potato will give you 107% of your daily vitamin A needs. Cooked sweet potatoes are also a great source of dietary fiber, vitamin B6, manganese, and vitamin C. 2. Carrots. A 100-gram serving of cooked carrots is enough to give you 95% of your daily recommended vitamin A intake. Cooked carrots are also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, thiamine, and potassium. These 10 foods to eat to get rid of stretch marks are backed by research. By taking care of your skin and encouraging regrowth of healthy skin cells, you're effectively making your skin more elastic to combat stretch marks. With the right diet, you can achieve the flawless skin you've always wanted. Following are the studied references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.